Ever committed code under the wrong name? Git has 3 configuration levels, and knowing them is the fix. The first level is system configuration. It applies to every user and every repository on the machine. Think of it as the machine-wide baseline, typically managed by an administrator, not individual developers. Git stores these settings in a file at /etcetera/gitconfig. You can write to it using the -- system flag. The second level is global or user-level configuration. This applies to all repositories for the currently logged-in user. Git stores these settings in your home directory in a file called .gitconfig. You write to it using the -- global flag. This is the most practical level for developers. It's where you set your name and email so every commit you make is properly attributed. The third level is local or repository-level configuration. It only applies to a single specific repo and is stored in the .git folder inside that project. You write to it with the -- local flag, which is actually Git's default when you don't specify any level. And here's the key precedence rule. Local overrides global, and global overrides system. The most specific scope always wins. System for the machine, global for the user, local for the repo, and local always wins. Follow for more Git essentials. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.